Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable memory integrity in Windows 11. All right, so let's begin with the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you can't enable memory integrity on your Windows computer. If you're getting this error message, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to fix this. The first step is to open up the Start menu on your computer, search for Registry Editor, and click on it. Then click on the drop-down arrow next to HKey Local Machine. Then click the drop-down next to System, then the drop-down next to Current Control Set, and then the drop-down next to Control. Scroll down until you see Device Guard and expand this folder. You should see a folder called Scenarios. Right-click on this folder, click on New, and then select Key. Name this key Hypervisor Enforced Code Integrity, making sure to type it exactly and include the capital letters in the correct places. Then right-click in the blank space, click New, and select DWORD 32-bit value. Name this value Enabled and press Enter. Double-click on it, change the value data to 1, and press OK. After that, restart your computer and check if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, open the Start menu again, search for Core Isolation, and open it. Try toggling on memory integrity. It may not let you turn it on, but it should say it's checking for driver compatibility. If you see a message that says Review Incompatible Drivers, click on it to see the list of incompatible drivers on your computer. Then open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. In the top navigation, click View and select Devices by Driver. Now go back to the incompatible drivers list and look at the published names shown next to each driver. You need to find that same name in Device Manager. For example, if it shows OEM11, look for OEM11.inf in the list. Once you find it, right-click on it, press Remove Driver, and click Remove. After doing this, restart your computer, and that should solve the issue. And that's it. So that's basically how you can enable memory integrity in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.